Is KSI onto something when he talks about Bitcoin's one-of-a-kind value? KSI, a popular YouTuber and entrepreneur, has been vocal about his enthusiasm for Bitcoin, often highlighting its unique value in the world of finance. But what exactly does he mean by this? In today's financial landscape, where markets are increasingly intertwined and traditional assets are becoming less reliable, understanding the value of Bitcoin is more important than ever. So let's dive in and explore KSI's perspective on this topic. One of the biggest misconceptions about Bitcoin is that it's just a speculative bubble, a fleeting trend that will eventually pop. Many people think it's too volatile, prone to wild price swings that make it unsuitable as a store of value. Others believe it's not backed by any tangible assets, making it a risky investment. And then there are those who think it's only used for illicit activities, like money laundering and drug trafficking. But are these criticisms justified? While it's true that Bitcoin's price can be volatile, this doesn't necessarily mean it's a speculative bubble. In fact, many experts argue that Bitcoin's volatility is a natural result of its decentralized nature and limited supply. The blockchain technology that underlies Bitcoin is incredibly secure, making it virtually impossible to manipulate or counterfeit. And as for the idea that Bitcoin is only used for illicit activities, this simply isn't supported by the evidence. In reality, the vast majority of Bitcoin transactions are legitimate, and many businesses are now accepting it as a form of payment. Another common misconception is that Bitcoin has no real-world value, that it's just a virtual token with no underlying worth. But this ignores the fact that Bitcoin has created an entire ecosystem of innovation and entrepreneurship. From decentralized finance to smart contracts, Bitcoin has spawned a whole range of new technologies that are changing the way we think about money and value. And let's not forget that Bitcoin has a limited supply, which could make it a scarce asset in the future. Despite these misconceptions, many people still don't really understand what makes Bitcoin unique. That's where KSI's arguments come in. According to him, Bitcoin's decentralized nature, scarcity, and potential as a hedge against inflation make it a truly one-of-a-kind asset. For example, because Bitcoin is decentralized, it's not controlled by any single government or institution, which could make it more resistant to manipulation and censorship. KSI also argues that Bitcoin's scarcity could make it a highly valuable asset in the future. With only 21 million Bitcoins in existence, it's possible that demand could outstrip supply, driving up the price. And as inflation continues to erode the purchasing power of traditional currencies, Bitcoin could become an increasingly attractive option for investors looking to protect their wealth. Perhaps the most compelling insight from KSI's viewpoint is that Bitcoin has the potential to democratize access to financial markets, giving ordinary people more control over their financial lives. One of the most powerful arguments in favor of Bitcoin is its potential to level the playing field, giving people from all over the world access to financial services and opportunities that were previously denied to them. This could be truly revolutionary, empowering individuals and communities to take control of their own economic destinies. And as more and more people begin to realize the potential of Bitcoin, it's likely that its value will continue to rise. So what's the takeaway from all of this? In essence, KSI's perspective on Bitcoin's unique value is all about its potential to disrupt traditional financial hierarchies and create a more level playing field. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's worth considering the ways in which Bitcoin could fit into your financial strategy. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on KSI's view of Bitcoin, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency trends, be sure to check out our other videos.